Museum, Central and Bedford.
Welcome to the channel, peoples. Thank you for tuning in and pulling up to the channel. Today we are taking a little walking tour of the harbour. So I'm going to show you what's happening down here in the harbour. I know it's a bit touristy, but hey, we do everything. So you can see it's a bit early, so cafes are just opening up. There's a lot of cafes and eateries here on the waterfront, so it's a good place to come and vibe out. Always good vibes around here. You know the vibes. Who's this guy? Hey mate, what's happening? My man. Oh. How's it going?
Look
how bumpy too. ¿Cómo está? My friends are from Philippines. Hello. What are you guys' names?
My name's Jay.
Jay?
Yeah.
How you liking the Harbour Bridge and the Opera House and Circular Quay?
Oh man, it's nice. We've been here a couple of times, but every time that we've been here, it's almost like it feels like it's still the first time, you know.
And you guys are from the Philippines, your background, right?
Yeah.
So, ¿cómo está you guys? Mabuti. Salamat. I met some new friends today, guys, so I will give them the name of the channel so they can tune in.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
And hopefully I get these guys here. I will get these guys on my channel. So if you're in the Philippines and Manila, the Thriller in Manila, make sure you tap in.
Yeah.
Make sure you guys subscribe and give us a like.
Yeah. We'll subscribe to this channel for sure.
Thank you. So I hope you guys are enjoying the little walk around the harbour, showing you guys Circular Quay. It's very what's the word? Family friendly on a Sunday. Usually people are out here taking their families out for a walk. A lot of tourists, a lot of people come here to get the picture, put it on their social media, so they can say, "I've been to Sydney, mate. Great place, Sydney. Yeah, that's it. That's it." What's up, bruh? A lot of steps. Let's do it like Rocky. Let's go up the steps. Just want to check out, see how steady this camera is when you go up the steps. I don't know, tell me. Is the camera steady or just my technique is not good? I don't know, you tell me. So what's up? You can see this is the view from the top of the Opera House. And what we have here, this looks like a restaurant, people. Okay, kind of a dining area, cafe or restaurant. Okay, I see you. Okay, I see you. Hey,
YouTube channel called?
Cause I Can. Where you guys from? Hobart. Hey, guys, if you don't know where Hobart is, it's a beautiful place down in Tasmania, the home of the Tassie Devil. Yeah. Ladies, what are you guys doing here?
Sightseeing.
Sightseeing?
We came to see a show. Frozen.
Oh, what show was that?
Frozen.
Oh, let me get my mic. Oh, Frozen.
Absolutely amazing.
Amazing. So you guys a bit of theatre lovers.
Absolutely.
Yeah, gotta love the arts, you know. You people need to get a bit of culture in you guys. Get out of the house, go see some new things, experience. What is Frozen about?
Have you seen the Disney movie Frozen? The princesses, and she turns everything into ice. Let it go, you know, let it go.
Okay.
Elsa and Anna, they should know the song. Let it go.
Yeah, we're gonna have a little bit of a sing along.
You obviously don't have young children.
No. I know.
Everybody knows.
Let it go. Okay, let's sing a little bit from it.
Let it go. Let it go.
Hey, thank you, ladies. Thank you so much. You never know who you might see out here on the harbour. You know, meeting a lot of great people, just saying hello, being my random self, and trying to bring you that content, the things you do to get the content. Now we're on the other side of the harbour. Now this is the view from the opposite side of from the bridge side of the harbour. And thank you for tuning into the channel. For those who this is your first time, well, this is only my second video. So stop it with the talking like I've got 100 videos. But anyway, we'll get there. We will get there. Like I said, please keep supporting the channel. Make sure you subscribe and give us a like. And we'll keep trying to bring you a lot of content. So it's a nice day for it. It started off really sunny, then it got a bit cloudy. Now the sun looks like it's about to make its return. So I can say today was a successful little walking tour of Sydney Harbour down here in Circular Quay. Tell me what you think of the video, and thank you for the support and love. Respects.